So what is the starting point? What does a person start with at that age? What is that program, the first program called? And if you can take me through at least the first 3 or 4 programs of the transition, that would be good for the audience as well.
At what age?
Let's say start from 14.
14. So at the age of 14, one can learn the practice of either Surya Kriya or Yogasanas or Angamartana. These are the 3 core Hatha Yoga practices. Hatha being the physical branch of yoga. So Angamartana actually can be learned from 8 and above. Angamartana is a more fitness and strength oriented practice, more physically demanding, but excellent for kids who are into sports and dance and things like that. Surya Kriya and Yogasanas can be learned from the age of 14 and above. These have a deeper spiritual impact, not only in terms of balancing the system, but also enhancing your energy levels, mental focus and clarity, and bringing a certain stillness to the body and mind, which is again a quality that I don't think anything else in modern society sort of cultivates in terms of education or whatever social exposure that people have. Stillness is not really celebrated or recognized as something essential. So apart from these physical Hatha Yoga practices, then there is the inner engineering program, which is offered from the age of 15 and above.
Okay.
So this is probably the most popular program of Isha. The logos on the back of this shirt. So inner engineering is a program in which you can learn a very powerful meditation practice called Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya. It's a very long name. It's a 21-minute practice, which is again structured in a certain way that when you do it every day, it sort of keeps evolving and growing into something more and more powerful. But it essentially helps to create a certain chemistry of blissfulness within the system. Because Sadhguru says that happiness is not the goal of life. It should be the basis of your life. Because only when you are happy can you even function in a better way, right? So that's again something that we cover in our introduction when we talk about what yoga can do for you, is this approach that we don't see relaxation or happiness as something to pursue, but it is something more basic.
And how long is this inner engineering program?
The inner engineering program is offered in various formats. It's offered as an online program, which is very convenient for people who live in, let's say, remote areas and so on. That's a 7 sessions online program. In cities where we offer it in person, like in Sydney, it's offered as a 4-day program called Inner Engineering Total. That's usually Thursday and Friday evening, 6 to 9 p.m, something like that. And Saturday, Sunday is a full-day program.
Got it. So now that we have come so far, what I'm understanding is that it's pretty convenient. It is designed so that working professionals can also easily be part of these. So my next question was, again, because many of the students are working professionals, and obviously the work environment is quite challenging nowadays. So how do they balance their spiritual journey with the demands of the modern life? Can you shed some light on that? Because I want people to know about it.
Well, so if you do the inner engineering program, you only have to make time to do the program. But after that, on a daily basis, it's very, very easy to incorporate the practice into your day. It only takes 21 minutes. And you do a few preparatory practices before that, which take another maybe 10 minutes. And yeah, I think the benefit that's something that everyone can manage, right?
Yes.
30 minutes a day. And the benefit it gives you is, as I said, it's incomparable to what else you could do to manage your
Yes.
stress or whatever.